Hello guys, I'm Rehan from Ray Trading Club. In this video, I'm gonna analyze Eurgbp cause we have some interesting opportunity in Eurgbp. So let's go. So first of all, we will start with multi-time frame. In multi-time frame, as we guys can see, price is going up between a range, which is kind of look like a bullish flag, and this is what bullish flag look like. So yeah, this is our bullish confluence. So now we will go to weekly time frame. In weekly time frame, we can see price is reacting this level as a support line, and you guys can see the level was a resistance in previous week or previous month, and this green level is our key level and the red one is our pivot level. It's a kind of strong level. Price should break this level before going up. So yeah, weekly time frame is also a bullish, but price may go to this level before going up again. So guys, let's go to daily time frame. In daily time frame, as you guys can see, price reacting this level and rejected more than 5 to 6 times, and yeah, this is indicating us that market will go to this level. But wait a minute guys, there is another support level around here. Price may react this level, but how do we gonna trade this Eurgbp? We will wait for breakout this green level, or we will wait for this price go to this level before going up. So this is our analysis for this week. We will update more and we will give a new video every week. I have a link in description. Please check my Telegram channel, or you can contact with me from Telegram. Have a good day.